Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chimama Sagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang mga makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click yung subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. So guys, Diyos ko, diba? Ito na naman tayo, ang linggong pasabog. So tingnan natin. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng may kapal, no? Just na ang bahala magbalik sa inyo niyan. Maraming po salamat sa inyo. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Scorpio. So, kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo, ang ating mahagap, ating mahagilap, gano'n. Ang daming kineso. And of course, there is a Knight of Cups, no? Kumaga, there's an information or there's an offer, a proposal, no? And of course, there is a Five of Pentacles. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang about sa financial loss, no? Or there's a temporary financial hardship. Or there is a negative change in their circumstances pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, may naghahatak ng negative dito, kaya dumadaloy yung pagbagal ng pagpasok ng pera, no? Kumbaga, itong offer na to, kumbaga, parating na sa inyo, no? Taking action na siya, Kumbaga nga lang, nagkakaroon ng mga pagbabago dahil because of sa negativity ng daloy or siguro some of you baka may mga time na tinatamad ka, no? Kumbaga doon siya nahahatak, kaya kumbaga kailangan mag-motivate mo yung sarili mo or consistency na kailangan always kang masipag or always kang hindi tinatamad kasi sa some of Scorpio talaga may panahon, no, may pagkakataon na kapag tinamad, no? And because there's a Three of Swords, there's a recovery, no, releasing pain, no? Kung maaaring ang matatapos na yung depressions, anxieties of deceptions, and of course, overthinking and being paranoid. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. There's a good news coming in for you. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mag-invest ka, no? On your own. Oh, see, there's a devil energy here. So, let's see what is the devil dyan. And of course, sinasabi dito by the Ace of Pentacles. There is a big of money or opportunity coming in for you. Sinasabi nga sa'yo dito, meron devil energy, there's an addictions or something na, kumbaga, there's a mental health or issues. And of course, sinasabi dito, obsessions, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, may potential ka about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, siguro, in a good way, ang devil card. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, maaaring, talagang porsigido kapag dating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, talagang obsessed ka, no? Or talagang nakatutok ka, workaholic ka. So, what is the Knight of Cups, no? Pero kasi sinasabi dito by the King of Swords, there's an information o katotohanan, no? Na may ilalahad sa'yo ditong offer na to, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang mag-take ng action and of course, being logic, no? Or being a practical and of course, intelligent sa bawat sa decisions. So, what is the Five of Pentacles? There's an Ace of Swords, no? Kailangan mong kumawala, no? Sa mga negativity. You're feeling isolation. Hindi ka makapag-desisyon, hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. You have a full negativity or blockages. Okay, thank you guys. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kaya ka nagkakaroon ng financial loss kasi there's a lot of blockages. No? Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays and of course information na para pagbagal ng pagpasok ng pera sa'yo kasi there's a lot of blockages. Kumbaga, and of course, back into a corner. Kumbaga, talagang napalibutan ka ng mga negativity. So, you need to do something na kailangan mong kumawala dyan, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Oh, see, there's a Ten of Swords. Kumbaga, there's an ending of defeat or something na tinatapos na. Yung betrayal, deception, or yung pain na nangyari sa'yo from the past. And of course, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration coming in for you. And of course, it's about friendship, reunion, or partnership, no? Socialize, no? Kumbaga, itong investment na to, kailangan marunong ka rin na makipag-collaboration or socialize sa isang tao or sa ibang tao para at least, no, dumalo yung magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Kasi, kumbaga, kailangan mo talaga ng ibang tao para, kumbaga, lumakas sa talaga, maging patok yung business mo. So, what is the Devil card? And of course, there's a Knight of Wands, no? Slow and steady, no? Kailangan, kalma ka lang, no? Hinay-hinay lang. Kasi kapag the most na nagiging addictions ka or obsession ka sa isang bagay, lalo-lalo na dyan pagdating sa pagkita ng finances, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng, over fatigue, no? Kumbaga maraming instances na magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, pagod, kumbaga, minsan, yun yung tinatawag over fatigue, depressions, anxieties. Kasi, kumbaga, may mga bagay na hindi ka nagagawa tapos tawag dito pinupurso mo na magawa siya, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na magawa siya. So ibig sabihin dito maghinay-hinay, 'di ba? Slow and steady with the Knight of Wands, no? Kumbaga kailangan yamado pero alam mong plakado, katulad ng slow and steady, sinasabi ko na slowly but surely, ganon. So what is the Ace of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. And of course, there's a rest, no? Kailangan mo rin magpahinga, no? Hindi kailangan na, nandun na tayo sa kailangan natin tumutok sa trabaho, negosyo. Pero kailangan nating mag-ano pa rin sa sarili natin kasi robot nga, 'di ba, nalolobahat, charger, cellphone nga nalolobahat, and everything or kung ano man yung eksena na yan, kumbaga may kapaguran din, no? Kailangan mo rin magpahinga. So, what is the Knight of Cups, and of course, the King of Swords? There is a Queen of Pentacles. Being practicality, kailangan maging practical kita about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa finances talaga, kumbaga, may business-minded mo, no? Or business women o businessman ka. And of course, there's a mature grounded, no? Kumbaga, there's a skills or abilities talaga pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, na-explore mo at kumbaga, alam mo kung paano paikutin ang eksena niya yan. So, what is the Five of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords? And of course, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. And of course, news na magdadala sa'yo ng balita dito na kumbaga makakawala ka dito sa toxicities and of course, delays. So, let's see what is additional messages. Kung ano eksena na yan. There's a Three of Wands, no? Sinasabi dito, there's a waiting for a ship or waiting for a result. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang matutunan, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang isalang-alang, no? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong pakawalan yung negative thoughts. Either yung mga tao sa paligid mo na naghahatak sa'yo ng negativity, kailangan mong kumawala. Kaya may trouble, no? Kasi kung hindi ka alis sa situation o hindi ka alis dyan sa eksena na yan, kumbaga, yung cycle na yun paulit-ulit lang. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, what is the Three of Cups? And of course, the Ten of Swords. There's a Four of Wands. There's a Twin Flame energy. There's a celebration coming in for you. Kumbaga, there's a community. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, maraming backstabbing or maraming traitor dyan sa paligid mo, no? Maging aware ka, even your family. Kumbaga, kumbaga, dyan sa relatives or something na, kumbaga, kamag-anak mo, di ba? Marami din dyan backstabbing. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka. There's a lot of surprises, celebration, wedding, event, and of course, homecoming, or of course, success is coming your way. So, what is the Page of Pentacles and of course, the Three of Cups? Maraming ganap dito, Tiha. And of course, parang sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, minumulat ka na hindi mo kailangan gugulin or kumbaga mag-over fatigue ka, no? Kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Kasi aanimi success mo kung hindi ka na makakilos, hindi ka na makagalaw, T. And of course, there's an Emperor. Sinasabi dito, be mature enough, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng time management, no? And of course, magkaroon ka ng control and stability. What is the Devil and of course the Knight of Wands? At the same time, there's an Ace of Wands. No? Mapagtatagumpayan naman pala, di ba? There's a new beginning and good news and physically starting something creative spark. At the same time, there's a new initiative. And of course, there's a creative, kumbaga, creations, no? Kung may mga bagay na magagawa mo at madidiscover mo. At the same time, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka lang at maging aware ka lang sa mga bagay-bagay. No? Bago ka mag-take ng action, hinay-hinay. Diba? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, you have a talent talaga. No? You have a skills and talent talaga na magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. Maghinay-hinay lang. Parang sinasabing hinay-hinay lang. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles and of course the Four of Swords? There is a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, magiging mabilis tong eksena na to. Na ito yung magdadala sa mental clarity. So, what is additional outcome? And of course, there is an Ace of Swords. There is a clarity. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity dito ay new ideas. At the same time, there is a Four of Cups, no? Parang i-analyze mo, no? Kumbaga, i-analyze mo, i-visualize mo bago ka mag-take ng action at kumbaga, itong clarity nito, kumbaga, malalaman mo yung pasikot-sikot. At the same time, baka sinasabi na alamin mo, no, ng pasikot-sikot bago ka mag-take ng action. Bago tanggapin yung isang offer. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new love life, new romance. So, ibig sabihin dito, alam niyo, ang galing ng eksena niyo kasi maraming ganap. Love life, career, health, and of course, parang sinasabi na health kasi dito with magkakaroon ka na over fatigue. So, ibig sabihin maging aware lang. So, talagang inaano niya talaga in all aspect, no? Kapag sinasabi na awareness. And of course, kailangan mo lang mag-ingat talaga. Additional outcome. Additional outcome. Meron pa ba? Additional outcome. Angel Spirit Guides. Meron pa ba? And of course, there's a strength card. Be confident, no? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment, no? Magkaroon ka ng confident. And of course, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo na magdadala sa iyo ng kataparan sa lahat ng pangarap mo. Kumapit ka. So, what is the Love Oracle card? Nagiging ano ka kasi dito, nagiging greedy ka na, gusto mo matupad ka agad, gusto mo hindi. Kailangan mong maghinay-hinay. Kasi, kumbaga puyat ka na, pagod ka pa, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, hindi mo kailangan magpaka-sub-sub dyan, kailangan mo lang maging balanse. And because there's an engagement ring. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a partnership. What is the additional messages? And I like you. Ibig sabihin dito, na maaaring gusto ka nitong person mo. And of course, there's a coffin. And of course, there is an ending and a new beginning. Transition, no? Magbabago tong eksena na to. Kumbaga, ito yung magdadala sa iyo ng pagbabago. A transition, and of course, a changes of a lifetime, T. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? And of course, there is an unexpected, no? Parang storm yan parang bigla kang babayuhin nito ng eksena. Kaya mag-ingat ka, ha? Kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo, kaya pagdating sa health, mag-aware. Kasi bigla ka na lang pupukpukin sa ulo niyan. Kasi sa sobrang pagod, kumbaga, mayroong mayroong health issues na about dyan yung super pagod, over fatigue. Meron yan dyan yung nauuso ngayon. Kaya maging aware po, ha? So, what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a deception, temptation. Ayun sinasabi ko, yung nagiging greedy ka, 'di ba? Nagiging kumbaga nagiging tukso ka dun sa eksena na 'yon. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's a soul ties or a reunion, no? At the same time, there's an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. May kaugnayan ka dyan. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides for the sign of Scorpio? And of course, there's a confidence. Ang laking ang eksena nito na kailangan mo magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. And of course, movement, paggalaw ng eksena. At the same time, there's an inner truth, katotohanan. Merong katotohanan dito, no? At the same time, what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a talk to your angel. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga, instead na mag-worry ka, na mag-isip ka na kung ano-ano, kausapin mo ang gabay mo. Magdasal ka. And of course, there's a strength card. Alakas ang energy dito na, kailangan lakasan mo ang loob mo na maging malakas at maging matibay ka. So, what is additional messages? There's a regret, no? From the past, hindi mo na mababalik yan, T. Ganun talaga yun. Kailangan mo na lang gawing lessons or aral yan. And of course, there's a service. Some of you, kumbaga, nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao. Either, home service or, kumbaga, public servant, na kumbaga, nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao dyan. So, what is the energy? What is the energy? And of course, there's a 4 chakra Archangel Raphael for health, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na pagagalingin ka sa anumang uri ng sakit or karamdaman, or binibigyan ka ng signs or synchronicity, kailangan mo mag-pay attention to your health. And of course, 7 chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances, no? Dalawang Archangel lang gumagabay sa'yo dito, from health, from finances. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? Stay optimistic about your stay optimistic about your love life, no? Kailangan maging positive ka lagi pagdating sa love life mo, no? Hindi ka dapat mag-iisip ng negative dyan. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? And of course, sinasabi dito, prosperity lies ahead, no? Ibig sabihin talagang nakalaan na or mangyayari na talaga ang kasaganahan na sa buhay mo. And of course, you're very close to achieve your goals. Sinasabi sa'yo, napakalapit mo na. Ahabot kamay mo na. Kay konting tiyaga na lang. So, what is the chakra? And there's a vanity. Ito yung some of you, yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay, no? Kailangan mong nire-release yan. At the same time, there's a recovery, no? Makaka-recover ka na daw. What is additional messages? So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? Ano yung pinaka-message ay ni Archangel Raphael? There's an organic food. Oh, some of you kailangan mo ng mga organic foods, fruits and vegetables, 'di ba? Na maalam mo makakatulong sa iyo, 'di ba? Sa iyong health. Kumbaga para ma-detoxify yung mga toxins mo. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, come to me, all you have that labor and heavy laden, and I will give you the rest. So, ibig sabihin dito, bitawan mo raw yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa'yo. No? I-surrender mo raw kay God yan, rather sa ating universe. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan para hindi kumbaga, para makagaang-gaang ka at gumaang yung pakiramdam mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan bit-bitin yan. No? So, what is the angel's number? There's a 19. I am pioneer. Oh my goodness, pioneer. Talagang sinusunod ka ng lahat, no? At talagang kumbaga parang wala pinagkaiba sa leadership to eh. So what is Archangel Raphael message? Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael messages. It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Kailangan mo na raw pakawalan yung mga unhealthy ways, unhealthy situation, unhealthy habits, unhealthy attitudes. At the same time, take your time making decision. Ay, tinasabi ko, diba? Kailangan mo maghinay-hinay, no? And of course, kailangan mo pag-isipan, klaruhin yung mga bagay-bagay bago ka mag-take ng action. Hindi naman lahat ng offer ay ginagrab mo, no? Kapag hindi na kaya sa time mo at hindi na kaya ng oras at panahon mo, lalo-lalo na ng katawan mo, bitawan mo. And of course, there's a 19 by I am pioneer. Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life you desire. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hindi ka natatakot, no? Hindi ka nangangamba na sumugal at talagang lumaban, no? Yung mga bagay na gusto mong marating sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, handa kang magsakripisyo at handa ka talagang lumaban at ipaglaban yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? Okay. There's an achievement. My goodness. Talagang abot kamay mo talagang step by step. No? Makakarating ka talaga sa tuktok ng sa tuktok ng langit para sa tuktok ng tagumpay ganon. And see, as I advance up the road towards achievement, I discover my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe in my truest potential. Today I have faith in my abilities and in myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my missions. I reach my objectives. I am courageous. I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So, alam mo kasi kung saan talaga yung life purpose mo yan. Yung goal mo talaga. Alam mo talaga kung saan talaga yung kahihinatnan ng bawat eksenang ginagalawan mo. Kung ano yung decision mo, kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay. Ang sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, kailangan mo lang maghinay-hinay. Kasi nagiging greedy ka na matupad kagad yan. Kasi, kumbaga takes time, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo talagang gumugol ng panahon. Hindi mo kailangan madaliin. Bagkus kailangan mo lang magdahan-dahan para hindi ka madapa at hindi ka matisod at masugatan. 'Di ba? Kasi pag nagmamadali ka, maraming maapektuhan. 'Di ba? Kumbaga kailangan mo na maghinay-hinay slowly but surely. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng may kapal, siksik digdig nag-uumapaw ang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, location nyo kung saan man kayo sulok ng mundo. Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!